Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Rustam, and today I'm going to explain how to calculate or how to fill up teacher's evaluation summary report by students. This is an Excel sheet, and as you can see on the screen, you have to write college name here, your name of the department, session, and year, class. As you can see, BS English 4th, batch 2. This is our second batch. So number of students are 23, respondents are also 23. Sometimes students are absent, like if the strength is 23 and respondent can be 20. Okay, here you can, if 3 students haven't returned these evaluation performance, so you can write here 20. However, as I got this form filled myself, so I went into the class, so there were 23 students and all of them filled the form and returned. Here you have to write teacher's name. I have removed teacher's name. This is actual sheet. Here you have to write subject. After this, here is question 1. The instructor is prepared for each class. So the maximum score was 5. So out of this item, this is now sheet number 1. I mean teacher A. So this teacher has got 25. I mean 5 students have evaluated him or her as strongly agree, that is, he is prepared for each class. So 25 means that on 5 teacher evaluation form, 5 students evaluated him in 5th column are strongly agree. 20 means that 5 students assessed him in agree column. So 24 means that 8 students, 8 multiplied by 3, it means 8 students evaluated him neutral, that is, they didn't give any opinion about this teacher. And 4 means 2 students, okay, 2 students disagree, the 2 students say that this teacher is not prepared for class, and 3 students strongly disagree, they believe. It means total there are 5 students who disagree, and 8 students out of 23 students, 8 students remained neutral, and majority of the students agreed. Anyhow, when we calculate sum of our responses, so there were 23 students. So when we add up, as you can see, 25, 20, 24, 4 and 3. Here I have inserted the formula, as you can see here, AE12. AE12 means that this column A, okay, this one, and here it is written 12. Okay, so AE12, then plus, as you can see here, plus this column AF12, and then this column, okay, then this column and this column. All these make up 76. If you change, let's say I change here, let's say instead of 25 I write it 15, automatically these two values will be changed because I have inserted the formula. Let me click on this enter button. As you can see, 66 and 2.9. so formula is already inserted, as you can see here. Let me again turn it into 25. So as you can see, it is 76, and here how this has been calculated. So AJ12 means this cell, as you can see on the screen, AJ, that is 76 divided by 23. 23 means total responses. So we have, when you add this formula here, equal to AJ12/23, so this is automatic calculation. Now this is question number 2. The instructor demonstrates knowledge of the subject. So this form was redesigned by me because the form provided by QAC, that was a Word document. So this row has been inserted by me. Actually, you can print it out, and then you can calculate all the responses, and you can insert these responses here. Okay, and when you put these values into these columns, as you can see here, and after entering here, When you click on enter button, this is automatically added up. As you can see here, all the cells. AE14, AF14 means that this is 14 number cell, okay, and these are different columns, okay, AE column, AF column, etc. So they have been automatically added, and whenever you add it here, and formula is also inserted here, as you can see. So this value is automatically calculated. Now we can see that average score of this teacher is 3.3. 3.3 means this teacher lies somewhere here. It means that the class does not agree or class does not disagree. They have shown neutrality. Again, neutrality means that they are not. This does not go into the favor of the teacher. Score must be, as you can see here, the instructor provides additional material apart from the textbook. So 2.6 mean that a teacher is in this zone, 2.6. So students don't agree with this teacher. It means this teacher doesn't provide them additional material. Okay, now as you can see here, let me show you. When we move to the bottom of the page, let me scroll down. As you can see, wait a while. So here this is automatic calculation. As you can see, I have inserted this formula. All the cells they have been added up, and automatical calculation is here. If you change any value, let's say it is 69 and I put it here, let's say 40, so this value has changed, this value has changed, and this value has changed. Now I'm restoring it, 69. As you can see, total score of all questions from all responses, and then average score, that is total score divided by total number of responses. So this here you have, if you are using this sheet, so you have to, let's say you have to insert 988 divided by I am inserting 23, but if you have got 26 students, so you have to insert this. So formula here will be changed, as you can see here. So you have to insert here 26. Okay, so change the value of insert number of students somewhere here, see, and automatically you will have this score. Now I'm going to put it here. So 43, this 43 score is out of 65 because maximum, as you can see here, there are 13 columns and maximum score is 5. So 13 multiplied by 5, that is 65. A teacher can get not more than 65 scores from a student. So 43 means 65 out of 43. Now this does not reflect the true performance. So I have added this one, percentage score, that is 66.1. So how to calculate this? You can write down 43 divided by 100 and multiplied by 43 divided by, let me show you here, 43 divided by 65 and multiplied by, let's say, 100. So this is the formula I have shown. Okay, let me show you the formula. I'm going to click here. As you can see here, this is the formula. AJ38, that is, AJ means this value, 38 is cell number, this is row number 38, and here is 43, divided by 65, and this asterisk or star means multiplication, 100. So automatically this is the score. So this sheet I'm going to share in the group, and if anyone wants to use it, you can use it. It will automatically create a teacher evaluation for you. However, here you have to change the formula. Here you have to insert your own number of students. Okay, otherwise this will not give you. Let me change the formula again here. So how do we do it? Let me show you. So let me erase it first. Let's say you want to use the formula here. So average score. So average score, press shift key and equal to, as you can see here, then cell number AJ38. So type AJ38, and then after this total number of respondents divided by 23, and just a minute, let me check what. So let me erase it for you. So how to calculate? Now press equal to sign, and now this is a total score 988, and this cell is 37. So you have to write AJ 37, okay, and then divided by total number of responses, and press enter button, and as you can see 43. This is average score, and this is the percentage score. So I'm gonna share this form in the group, and if anyone wants to use it, so formulas have already been inserted, you can use it. Thank you very much, and hopefully we can evaluate the performance of one teacher on this form, and if you have got 6 teachers, you can evaluate the performance of 6 teachers on different forms. Okay, thank you very much.